What's going on, guys? Vic VP back with another Game Case Arcades video. On this one today, I'm going to show you, I can't guarantee it, but I'm going to show you how to download and install paid games, paid apps on Bluestacks for free. Free 99. Now, if you haven't seen the build on this and all that, this is Project Dubai. I'm making this video for the customer just to go over a couple of steps as far as how to go about downloading Google apps, because again, this is Android-based emulation Bluestacks. It thinks that you're on an Android phone. So I'm gonna go through how to download apps, and I can't guarantee it, but there are a couple of ways, basically a certain website that you could go to download paid apps. So for example, I do have Balloons Tower Defense, and I have Lego Marvel. Those are $2, $4 apps, and I didn't pay anything. So we're gonna go slow. I'm gonna show you exactly what to do, and who knows, maybe it'll help you guys out. So if you don't know Bluestacks, you might as well not watch this video, because I'm not gonna tell you what Bluestacks is or how to download it and all that. But if you do a quick Google search, easy Google search, you'll be able to figure out what Bluestacks is. Bluestacks did a recent update. It is it's much cleaner. Before they used to have tabs up top for game manager. This now has all the games combined. And again, in this build, this is a 24-inch touch screen going on here inside of an Intel NUC. So the big thing is that you could go into Play Store. Again, it acts just like a regular Android phone. So you'll be able to see games. You'll be able to download games. You could link your email, your actual Android email to it. And you could play games that you currently play on your phone, you could play it on Bluestacks. So games like Call of Duty, you could play it. Now, for this instance, and I'm not gonna test it, I'm literally going out on a whim on this to see, we're gonna try to find a game that is a pay-to-play type of game, and we're gonna see if the website that I have and all that, if the directions will follow, can we play this game for free? So again, basic free games, you could use the Google Play Store. There's no need to worry about it. If you want to do Clash Royale, it just says install, you press install, and it's just like your Android phone. It's doing everything like it normally would. Big thing is that keep in mind that we are inside Bluestacks. I'm not in Firefox, I'm not on the desktop, I am in Bluestacks, and I am installing Clash Royale right now in Bluestacks. So once it's all done, and I believe I'm still connected to the internet. Yes, be sure you are connected to the internet. You can see on the top left that it does have the download here. Again, just like your Android phone, you can see it right here that it's downloading this game. And that's it, it downloaded. If I go back to my home screen, Clash Royale is there. So we do have it, I'm able to launch it. It might ask you if you want to link it to the whole, I don't know, the gamer pass thing or whatever, you could do that. So for example, this game here, it's actually a vertical game, and in this certain build specifically, we could tap vertical, spin the screen, and let's get to clashing. So as you can see, a free game is very easy. You do that within the actual Google App Store. And this acts just like your Android phone. You could clear all. You basically now close all the apps. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys, and I cannot guarantee this works. I tried many apps, not all of them worked. We're gonna be looking at possibly getting paid apps for free. Again, I can't stress enough, this is not guaranteed. It will not always work. I just did like 5 games. Out of the 5 games, only one of them worked, which was the Lego one. First thing you're gonna need to do off the bat is you're gonna need to download this Files by Google. So you're gonna go to your Google Play Store and just look up the word files. You need this because it is going to be able to extract zip files. So first thing is download that Files by Google. Inside the Google App Store here, you could go to Top Charts and you could go to Top Paid. And you could check out all the apps that cost money. I would definitely say to avoid apps like Minecraft, any apps that need servers or a lot of online play, you're gonna wanna avoid, because obviously I don't think they're gonna work. You could try it, but I doubt that they will work. You know, there's quite a handful. I'm a big fan of like Lego, so I already downloaded Lego Marvel, which was a paid app. I figure we're gonna try another Lego. I think it was called this one. We're gonna try this Lego Star Wars TCS. As you can see, it's a $7 app. So let's try that. We're gonna go back home. We're gonna go to System Apps, and we're gonna go into Google Chrome. Now notice I am in Chrome in BlueStacks, not on my computer, not on the desktop. This is Chrome in BlueStacks. This is the website I use. You could look it up. It's this.com. You could look up your app. So I just look up the word Lego. And there's quite a few. Again, I downloaded yesterday this Marvel one and it worked. We're going to try this TCS. So this was the app. There's another one here, but this is like TF something. We're going to try this one. So you're going to click on your app. You're going to get your casual pop-ups. These are how ROM sites work. You will get buttload of pop-ups. Just be prepared to exit them and all that. Underneath the picture, you're going to see download APK. You click on that. You're going to scroll down and we're going to wait the 5 seconds here. Now, most of the games here will have two files, an APK file and an OBB file. You will need both of them. We're going to start slow. We're going to download the APK file. So we're going to press on that green. You either will be directed right to a download link of the ROM, or this is like an in-betweener, like a middleman. This countdown happened here. You press continue, and this is the site here. I always like the site Upload King. You definitely get this easier, but there are a ton of pop-ups. You're going to press the free download button. I guarantee you the first time you do this, you're going to get pop-up. Just exit, come back here, and then press the APK and do the same thing again. You're going to get a lot of pop-ups. Inside Upload King, and as far as pop-ups, you're going to get a good maybe 3 or 4. Once you get past the pop-ups, you're going to click on this blue download now. And it's going to now download like a regular app. And as you can see, it's done here. So I can see here on the top left, all my files here. We're going to press Lego Star Wars. We're going to press install. App installed. We're going to press done. We're not going to open. We're just going to press done. So the first file is done, which is the APK. Next is OBB. Same thing. You're going to click on OBB. You're going to get this timer, or it's going to direct you right to Upload King. Let the timer go. You press continue. Again, free download. As you can see here, here we go. We got a pop-up. So I have to exit out. I have to wait for the timer again. It's just something that you have to do. There's no way to bypass it. And as you can see, every time I do that, I could actually press back, but I think to be safe, it's just easier to reset. We're gonna have the timer here, awesome. And we're gonna press download. And then same thing, we're gonna wait for this file to download. I was downloading Lego Batman, but unfortunately, whoever uploaded the ROM did it in an RAR file. RAR files I can't unzip. You need it in zip file. We're gonna let this download and we're gonna come back. Okay, so our zip file finished downloading. So we're just gonna go back to our little menu here. We're gonna press the home button. We're gonna go to Files by Google. We're gonna go to Downloads. And as you can see here, we have the zip file here. We're gonna click it or tap it, and we're gonna extract. It actually looks like this zip file has the APK file in it. Usually they don't, but this specific one, whoever uploaded this, it actually does have the APK file within it. That's pretty cool, but we didn't need it. We just need the main file, which is that OBB file. We're gonna let this extract and we'll come back. Once it's done there, we're gonna press the home button. We're gonna go to System Apps. We're gonna go to Settings. Here it looks like the actual Android settings. We're gonna go to Storage. And I'm gonna scroll down to Explore. Be sure to tap it. We're on Explore now. Big thing is that you're gonna find your phone device here. There's OnePlus, be sure you're in that. You're gonna go to your download. And up top here is the folder that was created, which is the Lego Star Wars one. And as you can see here, that looks like there was an actual update APK file. So we're actually gonna run this. We're gonna install this. And we're gonna press done. Now inside of this is the zip file here. And we have this main program here. So I went a little bit too far back. We're gonna backspace. you always want to look for this com.wb. This folder here, we're going to take our mouse, we're going to long press, and we're going to select it. We're going to go to the top right here with the 3 dots, and we're going to do copy to. Usually it's move to, but for this instance, it's copy to. We're going to go to the OnePlus device. We're going to go to Android. We're going to go to OBB. While you're here, you're going to press copy or move. It really should be move, but for this game right now, in this example, it says copy. The file now is where we need it to be. We can now either close out all of our apps, and the moment of truth is to see if this game works. We're going to press Lego Star Wars. We're going to allow the access. And so far, so good. We do have a paid app working. This does not work all the time. I'm going to tell you that right now. This does not work all the time. But for this example, it did work. And again, with Bluestacks, you press F11 to go big screen, and you're good to go. There you guys have it. That is how you do an app. I'll do another one real quick, and we'll see if we get lucky. So real quick, we're going to clear all. We'll go back to the game store. I mean, again, I'm kind of happy that worked. That was a little bit new to me because that had a new APK file in it, an update file in it, and it really had copy to instead of move to. Let's try Need for Speed. We'll go home. We're going to go to Chrome. We're going to go back to our site, basically. Let's see, Need for Speed. Again, it won't always work. There's a couple of Need for Speeds, but this is the one that we were looking for. Download APK on the left. We're going to wait for the timer to go. I have not tested this game at all. Neither did I do with Star Wars. I did try Clue. That didn't work. In this instance here, there's 4 files, so there's 2 mirror files. The first one, either one will work, but I always try to aim for the one that has this Upload King. As you can see, there's no middleman on this one, so we're downloading this without any shop or short.ils. We're downloading, awesome. We're now going to do the OBB. Just for kicks, I'll show you the other OBB. Upload RAR, see something file not found. So far, Download King or Upload King works. Free download. Let that timer go. Our app here is done, but let's just download this. And again, at the bottom, you see downloading file. Awesome. So I'm going to press Need for Speed APK. We're going to install. Done. Some games won't install. It'll say like it doesn't recognize your tablet or something like that. So just be prepared that not all the games will work. This seems like a fairly small zip file. But yeah, like I said, while this is downloading, I won't cut. Just be prepared that not all these will work. As you can see, got lucky with Star Wars. I have not tested this Need for Speed one, so let's see if it's gonna, fail on me. Again, usually it does ask you to move the file instead of copy the file, but either way, we did get Lego Star Wars to work. We're gonna let that download. And again, there's a lot of games. You just gotta kind of sit and do it. The only big thing again with this site, there are pop-ups. That's just a given. Any ROM site will always have pop-ups, so you just have to be ready for clicking it out. And again, it's an Android phone. It's not actually linked to your actual computer. I doubt you'll get a virus on your actual Windows device, or Windows PC, I should say. Good, zip file is done. We're gonna go home, files by Google, downloads, and then you could essentially delete all these downloads, but this is my zip file here. We're gonna click it, and we're gonna extract it. So this particular one in the middle, there was no other APK file. This just has the OBB file that we need. Just gonna let it do its thing. I'm trying to see if I could possibly not cut. Cool, awesome, done. We're good, extracted. We're gonna go home, system apps, settings, storage, scroll down, explore. Make sure you're in your phone, not just downloads or anything, in your phone. Download, And up top here, again, you do have the folder here. This is the main thing you want, this COM. So as you can see, I clicked into NFS. This COM folder is the main thing. I'm gonna long left click, 3 dots, there we go, move to. This way you don't make a copy of it, you're just moving the file. I'm gonna click on my phone, Android, OBB, move. That's it. Essentially now that folder is still there, this NFS folder is still here, but that COM folder is now moved. So it technically moved it. You can now delete these if you want. We now go home and we're gonna see if Need for Speed works. We're gonna allow. So far so good. No, kicked me out. So as you can see there, Need for Speed Most Wanted did not work. I have a feeling like in this instance right here, it's looking for a server and it kind of notices that you're not a paid person. So as you can see, that is a game that we downloaded everything, but it just doesn't work. So there you guys have it. Like I said, not all these games will work, but that's how you get it working.